Welcome to my channel and a YouTube channel where I will take you to a journey of practical and useful learnings. So come aboard. Today I will take you to a journey on a repair of household appliance. This is a mini deep fryer where we used to cook delicious and crispy pork belly. Unfortunately, the last time we used it, suddenly it turned off and stopped functioning. The indicator light won't turn on and the fryer does not turn hot anymore. And my wife told me just to dispose it. But as a practical handyman, as I am, I will try to repair it. So I will try to open it up and see what's inside it. Initially, I found it difficult to remove the screws. They are specially designed screws for added protection that no ordinary layman can just pull off the circular cover that protects a bigger bolt holding the bottom cover to the body of the unit. I use a vice grip to unscrew the bolt. Once the bolt is removed and the two other screws, I was able to pry open the bottom cover. Inside are the connecting wires protected by asbestos insulator, which is a highly fire retardant material. The circular heating coil, which is directly attached to the fryer with two electric terminals, the indicator light, and the thermostat switch. One terminal of the heating coil is directly connected to one of the two lines of the external electric cord. The other terminal is connected in series to the light indicator, then to the thermal switch, and I thought directly to the other line of the cord plug. I first disconnected the wire attached to one of the two terminals of the heating coil to test initially for open circuit. First, I tested the wires and the plugs, and all registered almost no electric resistance of 0.9 microohm. This test indicates that there are no broken or open wires. Then I tested the heating coil by connecting my multimeter tester's black probe to one of the two terminals of the heating coil and the black probe to other terminal of the heating coil. The multimeter tester registered almost zero resistance at 0.9 microohm also. Therefore, the heating coil is not open and it is still functioning. The next I tested was the thermostat switch, and it's also functioning. I continued to search for open circuits, so I tested one wire leading inside an asbestos insulator attached directly to the heating coil, then going to the indicator light. This wire registered full resistance, meaning that electricity is not flowing through it. So I removed this wire inside the asbestos insulator. And what is hidden is a thermal fuse with 250 volts, 10 amperes, and with 227 degrees centigrade thermal breaking point specification. I tested it again, and indeed it is open. This means that when we were cooking the pork belly, the deep fryer attained a temperature of more than 227 degrees centigrade that automatically broke open the fuse. This is a fire safety device of the deep fryer because the average kindling point of cooking oil is at 200 degrees centigrade. Without this thermal fuse, the fryer could have burst into a flame of burning liter of cooking oil that could have burned the kitchen at least. So friend, be very careful with electric appliances and do not switch them to their indicated maximum temperature. The thermostat temperature indicator may not be very accurate, so be very careful. In order to repair or replace this thermal fuse, I searched at electronic stores in the Philippines, and fortunately I was able to buy thermal fuse of the same specifications and replace the broken one. I fitted it back to where the old one is or was, and then reinserted it to its asbestos insulator and attached it back to the heating coil. Try if the deep fryer will work by plugging it to the wall socket. Turn the thermostat switch and voila! The indicator light turned on. Feel it if it is heating. Oh, it's too hot. Don't forget to like and make your comments. Thank you.